Hey guys, for today's video, we are going to be opening up some advent calendars. I'm excited. We've got hair, we've got makeup, we've got jewelry, and some maybe like clothing accessories. I don't know. No idea what I bought, so let's get into it. So I'm going to preface this by saying I have never bought an advent calendar for myself before, so I'm kind of excited. Let me show you the advent calendars I got. This one is from Aerie. So this is 12 Days of Sparkle. It's a customizable necklace and bracelet with 12 charms. It's from Target. It is just 12 Days of Beauty. This one was sent to me from L'Occitane. I don't know if you are familiar with L'Occitane, but I love L'Occitane. They are one of my favorite skincare brands. They are clean, they are eco-friendly, they do not do animal testing, and their ingredients come from the south of France, and they hand-pick them out of fields, and it is just so cool. I have no idea what's in here. I assume all skincare, so I'm excited to open that up. American Eagle, and American Eagle, this is 12 Days of Cozy Luxury. Last but not least, Mykitsch. I think this one was maybe the most expensive. This is just gonna be a whole bunch of hair accessories, I would assume. We're gonna do the necklace. This was the most affordable option, I think, next to the Target one. One thing about me is I am terrible at opening boxes, mails. I just rip it open. Like, not Kitsch first, you know? Okay. So I showed you the necklace and the bracelet. Cute, we love that. We're just gonna, pop it open. Do you see that little heart? Oh, I like that. All right, let's pop number 2.
Oh, I was afraid it was gonna be like all Christmas related stuff.
So I'm happy to see, like, you know, not Christmassy, so I can wear it outside of Christmas. All right, let's do number 3. And oh, a little locket.
That is adorable.
Oh, I like that.
Totally wearable. I thought it'd be like reindeers and Santas. Cute. A snowflake. Okay, we got something Christmas related. A whistle. I like that. That's
Cute.
Aww.
Reindeer. I like it.
Oh, what is that? A gingerbread man. Oh, I said cute again. Oh, I opened the last 2. What are they? An eye? Is that like an Illuminati eye? I don't like that. The moon. No, that's not Illuminati, is it? I have no idea. The moon is okay. I don't like the eye. I'm gonna put some of these on so you guys can see what it looks like. Love. What's next? We might as well do the other American Eagle one. I really like American Eagle. I shop there a lot. This is what it looks like when you open it up. One is big. Okay. I feel like this is gonna be like a hat or something, right? It's gotta be. It's a hat! Oh, yes. And it's really soft. I like the color too. 2. Oh, cute! It's a little necklace. Number 3. Is it a bracelet? I'm very confused. All right, my brain is not braining at the moment. We got a little tangled situation here, but I believe it is a bracelet. All right, number 4. More jewelry.
Oh, these are
Cute.
Very dainty. You can wear them with anything. These might be Christmas gifts for some family members. Number 5. Okay, maybe this is like an all jewelry box. Or earrings. These are cute for the holidays.
very festive.
How many is in here? 12. So we just did 6. No, we didn't. We just did 5. Now we're on number 6. This is shooting for socks. I could really go for some socks.
Socks!
Oh, I like the bows. And they're so soft. Very good quality. I'm excited about those. Number 7. I have these. They're not from American Eagle. Actually, mine aren't more expensive, but they look exactly like this. Love these. All right, is this an all jewelry box? Like what? I thought I only got 1 earring. The other one fell, but it's in here. And these are
super cute.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I dig. Oh, come on, more jewelry. Oh no, what is this? Is this a bow? Cute.
It's a bow to wear in your hair.
Love the brown. Number 10, this feels like socks. Or a hat. Or gloves. Oh, I like these.
Cute. And they're neutral and they are so soft.
This is 11. We have 2 more to go. Oh, I was not expecting that. Oh, that's adorable. Last one, you guys.
Oh, cute. Oh, that's adorable. I love that.
All in all, I think that was a really good box. Thought maybe there might be like a scarf or something, but I rate that an 8 out of 10. All right, let's open the L'Occitane one. It smells really good. There's some on each side. Oh my gosh. 1 right here. I'm gonna try to go in order. They have the best hand cream, L'Occitane does. Number 2 is on the back side. Travel size shimmering lotion. Oops, did I actually need this one up close? This was number 1, this was number 2. Number 3.
Oops.
Number 12 and number 2 are right next to each other. Let me try this again. This is number 2. Okay. Yes. This stuff is so good. This is their shower oil. Should I just go out of order now? We're just gonna go out of order. That's probably what I'm smelling. Soap. It smells so good. It smells like France. Number 4. So cute. Youth cream. Oh my goodness. Let's open this one. Oh, that's a big one. Dry feet. Yes. More hand cream. Gel douche. It does say gel douche. Gel douche shower gel. It's for your bath. So like a bath bomb. Yes. Soap. Shower cream. Interesting. At first glance, I thought this was a tampon. Aw, is this like a little mitt to wash yourself? This is the last one. Another cream. I'm not sure what the difference is between all these creams and lotions, so I can't wait to see like what works best with my skin. We're not done, people. We got a whole other side. Oh, I think it fell down. Hand cream for days. Oh, this is a cleansing milk. There we go. Well, I love the size of it. For gel douche shower gel. Oh, we got 2 for 1. Another cream. Another shower gel. Oh, it's a shower scrub. I had no idea they sold shampoo. I love stuff like this. I have this one actually. This is an overnight serum. I have the big size bottle. I use this every night. And honestly, I don't know. I have no idea what I just showed you and what I... That one was fun. That one was sent to me. I love L'Occitane. They also sent tons of other goodies to me, so they got me all stocked up for this winter. Thank you. Here's this Mykitsch one because this thing is massive. This was, I believe, the most expensive one. Oh, I love these colors. Look how vibrant that is. It's like unicorn colors. Let's see what this is. It's like a scrunchie maybe? Scrunchies. Can never have enough scrunchie. Let's do number 2. Is this scrunchies again?
Oh, it's a bow. Oh my gosh.
We got so many bows in these boxes. Number 3, this is a big one. I'm just gonna keep that in there. What is it?
Yes.
A pillowcase. This is actually good value because I think this is like 20 some bucks. So it's a nice silk pillowcase. 4 is a really big box. Oh God, that's cold. This has to be for your face, I would assume. I would imagine you use this with your skin serums and stuff. Number 5, clips. Oh, bedazzled clips. Look how pretty those are. Number 6. That's cute. I don't know how comfy that'll be in your head, but I love the color. I have been wanting one of these. I used to have one and then it rusted. It's just like a hairpin. Oh, I cannot wait to do some hairstyles I've been seeing people do with this. Cannot wait.
Yes, yes, yes.
Number 8. That is an exfoliating mitt. And I actually have one of these in my shower, not from Mykitsch. This is essential to getting dead skin off your off your body. If you don't have an exfoliating mitt, add it to your Christmas list. Amazing. Okay, we got 3 more. This is number 9. Clips. Cute. I love the neutral color. Very my vibe. Number 10. For volume, I actually tested these. It was like an Amazon version. Horrible. It did not work for me, but maybe these will be different. Oh my gosh, that's a thick one. That's a big boy. That I don't know if I have enough hair to use. All right, last but not least, hopefully this is the best. Yay! Woo! I always need one of these. Come on. This is for heatless curls, and I like this one because it's like bendy. Some of the ones I have is just like strictly foam, and they always break. This is actually really good quality. So I don't know if that was worth the $100 price tag, but got a lot of good stuff in there. Last one is from Target. I'll share which one was my favorite at the end. Number 1, the stickers. Oh, cute. So these just stick on your nails, I guess. I've never used them before. 2 is down here. Oh, Power Grip Primer. I actually have tried this and I do like it. This looks like the Marshmallow Setting Spray. It is a matte finish. 4. Yay, a makeup sponge.
Sonia Kashik. That's actually a decently expensive brand, I think.
And I don't think this calendar was that much.
Cute.
Love that. Makeup removing wipes. Work really well. Here is 7. I think this is 7. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. Cleansing oil. I've been wanting to try these. These are Lumify drops. They're supposed to make your eyes white. So like my eyes are always red. I feel like they're always dry. These are supposed to make them nice and bright and white. I've seen these on TikTok before and they do work like instantly. Stay All Night Blue Light Micro Setting Mist. I love e.l.f. You literally can't go wrong with e.l.f. Olay Cleansing Melt. Water Activated Daily Facial Cleanser. So this is a full-size product. It says on the back, no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils.
2 more.
We're just gonna rip it off. This is a little puff, you know, for powder to puff your face. And then number 12, this was a good one. Whitening Strips by Luminol. Enamel safe, peroxide free, whitens without sensitivity. There are 8 strips, 4 treatments in here. That is it. I would say my favorite, hands down. I think this is so cool. I really like this. I'm from Aerie. Again, I will link everything in my description box if people want to buy one, maybe for you or someone you know, someone you love. I think it'd be really fun for them, but yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, I've never done an advent calendar unboxing. Would love to do more if you are wanting me to do more. If you have a specific brand in mind, drop them down in the comments below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Bye.